Hi everyone, happy Wednesday morning. So now I am outside. It's 6:51 Montreal time. Let's go to the bus station. It's time for me to go to the bus station. It's not so early, but it's okay. I am also not late. So let's go. Let's go to bus station, and then I want to show the view while I'm walking. So happy Wednesday morning. So everything is green now, and the sky is very blue and white. It's very nice sky. So look at the flowers. The cat there, the flowers, the white flowers. Yesterday they don't have like that. Just this morning. So how nice it is. It's all white. So there is no sun, but there's, oh my goodness. Yesterday there is no like this. It's all leaves. Now it start the flowers. Soon it will not show the leaves. It's all just flowers shown. So let's go. There is no sun, but it's not hot and it's not cold. I just wear my see the flowers, a small suit for the office because the office is cold. Look there, it's very clear, the sky there. The other place and the other direction is there, and this is my direction to the bus station. Happy Wednesday morning. Tomorrow is my last day. It's Thursday because on Friday I will be absent. I'll attend my daughter's graduation. So very nice the tree now. So let's walk fast because I don't have a lot of time space when I arrive at the office because I have to walk farther. When I get down the bus, I walk farther than usual because they closed the nearest road. See, the pine tree never grew up, still the same. It's like bonsai pine tree. I like bonsai, but bonsai is very expensive. The swing for the kid. So there's a lot of stuff to look at, but in my place before, it's not a city. There's a lot of flowers there. In times like this, they start growing flowers. The houses here in the city, people no time for the flowers. So they just go. Even the big park here, they preserve the very old trees, very old, but all just very old trees. I cannot see flowers. So it's just like a forest. So I really like the lake there. In my previous place, before too is not city, there was a very big park and there was a very big lake. I like it. It's tiring. Oh. So it's not good walking to work. Oh, I see the bus. Run for life. My goodness, I am not sure if that's my bus, but I have to run anyway. There's nobody charging car today this morning. Oh, it's tiring. Run for life. This tree is very poor. Look, leaves still small. Few. Oh, it's tiring. Oh, that's my bus. My bus is there. Bye bye. My bus is there. Bye bye.